Parliament.
Hi, crazy babies. Yeah, now your mama's not in the way. Yeah, now your mama's not in the way. Ah, your mama was trying to hog all the attention from you puppies. Wasn't they? Wasn't she? Yeah. I love you guys. Yeah, you guys can eat my hand. It's okay. Go ahead. Eat my hand. It's okay, babies. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can eat me. I don't mind. I don't mind. Yeah, chow down. Rubbing, huh? Yeah. Kill. Kill. Eat the human. Eat the human. Yes. Train you puppies to tear humans to pieces. Eat my flesh. Eat it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hi, babies. Oh, you guys are so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're also vicious. You're also vicious. Look at you full of excitement. Yeah. Hi, babies. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, you guys are so adorable. You guys are so adorable. Yeah, look at your cute faces. Oh, go ahead. You can eat me. Yeah. Yeah. I will give you sustenance from my flesh. There you go. There you go. Yeah. All right. There's a couple fingers left for you there. Yeah, or you can tear at my hand. That works. That works. Yep. Gash open the wrists. That's how you really do it. That's how you cause some real damage. Tear at the soft tissues. Yes. That's right, guys. That's right. You guys look like you're really trying to eat my fingers. That's so funny. That's so funny. You guys are too cute. You guys are too cute. Yes, you are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that's enough. You've had enough. You've had enough, I say.